With free estimates and low prices, the Rooter Guy gives you the best value in drain services and plumbing for your money. We are an affordable professional drain cleaning service, and we will work around your schedule. We're available 24 hours a day throughout the Greater Lansing area. Rooter Guy is licensed and insured in sewer excavation, maintaining a complete fleet of commercial vehicles, excavators, and equipment to get your project completed quickly. Part of our excellent service is using video inspections to find the clogs or cracks in your pipes. Call us for immediate, affordable service to prevent further damage and costly repairs. When you need a drain professional and you don't have time to waste, call the Rooter Guy at 517-339-6000 or contact him through the website www.rooterguylansing.com.